Hi everybody, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here doing a really quick shopping haul video. This is a package I got about a week ago from Country Craft Creations. I'm excited to show you what I got. I have another package on the way and I was going to combine the two, but the one I was supposed to get yesterday is held up by the post office, so I won't be getting it till Monday. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got last week. It's real exciting. It's available right now at Country Craft Creations, so hold on a second and I'll show you what's in this package. I'm really excited to share this personal haul with you. This is an order I personally ordered and paid for from Country Craft Creations. I will be making a project with it. I have an idea of what I want to do, something new that I've never done before. And if it turns out okay, then I'll probably do a tutorial on it. But at first, I'm just going to make the project for myself, share the finished one with you. And then if it worked out the way I hoped, I'll do a tutorial. Now, when you get your packages from Country Craft Creations, normally you get them in a plastic bag. I've already taken mine out. It was all tucked safely in this plastic bag within the postal package box. That keeps it nice and safe if the cardboard box gets torn some on the outside, so small things don't get loose. Sometimes, depending on your package or your order size, you may get 2 or 3 of those plastic bags with lots of stuff tucked in. So I was focusing on the new, maybe smaller things to the side, the new Prima collection that had just arrived at Country Craft Creations. And I will check and see if some of it's still there and link the whole collection for you. But I was focusing on the Prima's Lost in Wonderland. I love Alice in Wonderland. I've done other projects with the one from Country Craft Creations and Stamperia, some other collections. So we'll take a look at this real quick. I know you're anxious to see what it looks like if you haven't seen it yet. I also picked up some white artisan cardstock and some craft. These are probably my favorite colors to work with besides black. So those are some staple things that I needed. So small things with this that I got was the postcards. That's what this goes, postcard kit. Okay, it's got stickers too. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to move this aside for just a moment so we don't have as much reflection going on, and open this up. Now, I don't know if all of this will be used on the project that I'm thinking of doing, but we'll see. So maybe I'll have enough for another project, or I may have to order some more. I was also thinking about doing a junk journal. So anyway, you get the postcards and envelopes. So these are envelopes. So wouldn't that be pretty as maybe in a junk journal or something? That's what I'm thinking for these, for a junk journal. So I love all these envelopes. Beautiful. And then the postcards, just look at the postcards. They're so pretty. So very vintage looking. Perfect for junk journaling, an Alice journal. Gorgeous. I'll show you something else that I picked up at the used vintage antique shop mall that I'm thinking I may use on something. This is not the project that I'm going to be making first, though. This is just something someday. But I don't know. This is an Alice in Wonderland book. It had some bins on the cover corners. But oh my gosh, the stuff inside, the pages are just pristine. So I was going to tear it all apart. And now I'm like, oh no, I don't know. I think the pages would be great for junk journal and the cover too, possibly. So that's something I picked up. Gonna, think about it. May have to order more of this collection, or maybe use the Country Craft Creations one again. I don't know. Either one would be great. So then these are little stickers that come with this kit. Little postage stamps. So I love this. This is really, really cute. I like the background here. So keep your packaging, because yeah, that would be awesome in a junk journal too. So I'm going to stack these up so I can put them back together. Off to the side here. I got the tickets. I think the tickets are great. Tuck them in a pocket, whatever. Let's just look at them real quick. Tickets. Cute, cute, cute. They're perforated. You can tear them apart. I think you get 3 of each design. This one, Mushrooms, Art Museum, and one. And then this one has, or you get 3 designs and, yeah, 3 sets of each. Let's see. There's 36 total pieces. So, yeah, I believe it's like 2 different styles, you know, in that. So that's the tickets. Then I got it the saying crystals because Prima there's nobody who does crystals and flatbacks for decorating quite as beautiful as the Primas can be. Then I got the little cards here. These are trading artist cards. Stinking cute. Look at all the little images. These are great to tuck into pockets. I love that one with the bunny rabbit. Fold this over so the sticky don't get on anything. And yeah, I like these images on this. Look at this. Alice Lost in Wonderland. So you get 34 pieces. So you get multiples of each design, of course. Look at that one. They're pretty. Then I got the journaling note cards. I don't think I got everything that goes with this set because I thought, oh, you don't need it all. I always think I do, and then a lot of it doesn't get used. So I tried to be a little more conservative this time. I don't know if I did very well or not. But just to cut these apart. There we go. I don't want that sticky getting on the cards, so I just fold it. So there's your journaling note cards. Take a quick look. Look at these images on that. I think the backs are all the same. So you get 1, 2, 3 of each design, and so you get a total of 45 of the cards. Sometimes we need fantasy to survive the reality, that's for sure. Look at that one. Books are mirrors. Imagination, the only weapon in the war against reality. She began to believe that very few things are indeed impossible. So these are all wonderful sayings and images here for this collection. Beautiful. Look at that. Time is not measured by clocks, but by moments. Sweet. Really cute. Then I got the ribbon. So you get 5 colors, 1 yard per color in this package. So since it's made to kind of match the paper, I thought, oh, I've got to have that. I'm just trying to find the end here. It's got to be here somewhere to open it. Sealed up really well. Well, I'm just going to snip it here on the side. We don't want to have to wait 100 years for me to get into it, right? So what are the 5 colors? We've got this really pretty kind of dark pink and a burgundy, kind of a peachy color, an ivory, and a dark brown. Those are really pretty colors to use. I don't have any idea what I'm going to do with them, but they go with the paper collection, so I had to have them. Then I picked up these Prima flowers. I thought they would be pretty, and I think they are. And then these Prima flowers, I don't think they're for the collection. These were just item number 594930. I don't see a name. And these are Lost in Wonderland. So these did go with the collection. These are add-ons that I thought the beige color, the cream color would go really well with it. And then I haven't done it yet, but I always keep buying molds. So one of these days we're going to do some molds, I think. These are more like the wax seal look with your images. So I'm not going to open this. It says it's food safe. So we have the butterfly and a letter, crown, just different images, a heart with love, key. So those would be fun to make, some that look like wax seals. So yeah, so that's that collection. So that's what I'm going to be playing with. And now let's take a look at the paper. Now I only bought one set of the 12 by 12. Maybe I should have got more. I don't know. I have so much paper. I really do. So let's look at this really quick so I can get this video up. This is the cover sheet. So the images here on this cover sheet are beautiful, and you could use great bookmarks if you wanted to. But then on the back side, we have these wonderful cut aparts that we don't want to miss out on. So that's pretty. So that's why you may end up needing another set. This is gorgeous. I don't know if it's going to work for my idea that I was going to do or not, because the sizes are big. So I may have to go back on and order smaller paper. I don't know, but I love this. I love the gold flecks in this. We've got the little chairs upside down and the mushrooms. Alice is going through that little door. And then the back side is like this. So this is really pretty. So I could use that. Then we have the 4x6s. I think I could use that. Oh, look, and that's sweet. Was she asleep there? This is beautiful. If you didn't pick it up, you really should check it out. So you do get 2 of each design. Look at that. So much gold. So pretty. Yeah, I like that. I like that dark color there. So I'm going to have to really look at this and see if it's going to do what I'm thinking about doing. I was wanting to do a carousel tunnel carousel tunnel book, where it opens up and you tie it together and you have the star looking pattern. But then I'm going to cut in the pages to make them where you can see all the way through and add all these bits and pieces throughout there. I don't know if this is going to work for that or not. So I'll have to really think about that. But look how pretty that is. And that. So I may need to get that smaller size. Another order to Country Craft Creations may be in order. If any of it's left. Look at how much gold there is on there. Isn't that pretty? That's like wallpaper. And then you've got this beautiful roses and imagery on the hats, the roses, the tombstones. I'm in a Halloween frame of mind. Mushrooms, toadstools. Yeah, I've got all my Halloween stuff out, so I'm seeing a lot of tombstones and things throughout the house. Isn't that pretty? That gold. Just so, so pretty. Hey, my voice sounds a little funny. We've got some allergies going around. Ragweed has been raging pretty good, and then now the trees are hitting it. It's like fall. Fall in Texas, probably everywhere has all that stuff. So here's this page. This is more cut apart, so it's just one-sided, but isn't that cute? So this would work great for what I'm thinking about for a tunnel book, because you would have pieces that go inside. So this may work. Think about it, play with it. If it does, and I get it finished, I will definitely share that with you. So this is all my haul stuff that I purchased from Country Craft Creations, including, save these card things, the packaging, because that's great. So that I will be playing with next for my personal project, and then if it works out the way I want, I will do a tutorial on it. Also got that cardstock. Remember, I had that. So that's what that is. And then I want to show you real quick a personal project that I just did. Now, I made this following a tutorial by one of the Country Craft Creations designers. I had some leftovers of this paper collection, so I just watched her video. I watched Margaret Nabbs on Margaret Nabb Designs, one of our current designers, and I created the cover, and I thought, well, I can't just create the cover. I've got to go ahead and make the whole thing. Now, that out. It's a little album here. It's only about a 1/2-inch spine, 5x7. I did my cover, of course, a little bit different. She has a cute little photo flip that you can put photos in. I did add a side closure after the fact, and I wanted to share with you that if you decide after you've made your album you think you need a closure, you can do that creatively. There's never a mistake that's not done creatively. I could have punched a hole and put the eyelets in there, but I didn't want that. I wanted it to be kind of more finished. So what I did is I glued the ribbon down on each side, uh, put score tape over it, and then put a scrap of paper that you cannot see, and then glued one of the pretty flowers. They're on top, on the front, and the back, so that just decorates it up. This is a Tim Holtz piece, and all the rest is from the Prima collection Twilight. If you pick that up, it's really a beautiful collection. This was some leftover, and I did use some of the Nouveau crystal glaze to jazz it up, and that's where you see all that sparkle in there. Then when you open it up, it's just a little waterfall album on both sides. Nothing in the middle, no pages, so it is a folio. It's a waterfall folio. I think that's what Margaret called it. But I did add the flip magnetic closures here on mine. You don't have to, but I did add them to mine, added some decorating, and I used the gold paper to kind of pull out the gold in the pattern paper. And then I left all the inside blank with just the little bits on the end to decorate it up. Made a really cute decorated tuck spot here on the inside with a bunch of my leftover pieces. This one's the same way. So I cut my strips of pattern paper. These are cut at 3/8 so that you can line it up from that piece. And then of course, again in here I have the tuck spot where I use some of those pieces. Really easy to make. Check it out on her channel. It is in the Country Craft Creations, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook group. You can find it easily there. Go to her channel, Margaret Nab Designs, and check it out. It's just her most recent design team project that she shared. So that's something I made personally out of some stuff I had laying around. Wanted to make a fun little Halloween book for some photos. So yeah, check that out. So thanks everybody for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow me if you haven't yet. Subscribe to my channel, and if you all have a Google account, you can click on notifications and you'll be notified every time I have a video uploaded. And I'll probably have another haul share when I get my next package in, and then I'm going to start working on this idea that I have for the what do I call that? It's called it's a tunnel book. Well, I forgot what I called it. It's got a name. I didn't name it. Everybody else calls it that. It's the star-looking book. So I think it'd be really cute like that. And then if it turns out okay, I think the Harry Potter paper, the newest Adventures paper collection from Country Craft Creations would be wonderful with that. So can't wait to get my hands on that and see what it looks like. So thanks again, everybody. See you later. Bye-bye.